Oi! What happened today? Whooping cough spreading like wildfire across the islands. Over 1 weight cases this year. Already beat last year's total. It's airborne spreads. When you cough or sneeze, real contagious stuff. Hits babies the hardest. Can lead to pneumonia, even worse. Best shot? Get the jab, DTaP or Tdap, depending on your age. Trick is, it starts off looking like a regular cold. Antibiotics help, but only if you catch it early. And it's not just whooping cough. Measles are popping up too. Planning a trip to Hawaii? Make sure you're vaxxed, mate. Reckon this'll change how we travel? What do you think? Hit that follow. Let's world watch in under a minute. One hot issue, one short a day. Easy news.